Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. 4 percentage points of availability sounds like a rounding error, but on a 50 MW portfolio, the difference between 95% and 99% availability is 438,000 euros in annual revenue. Most portfolio managers know their availability number, but few calculate its true cash impact. A 50 MW portfolio at 50 euros per MWh generates roughly 21.9 million euros at 100% availability. Drop to 95% and you fall to about 20.8 million euros in revenue. Hit 99% and you reach roughly 21.7 million euros, a euro 900k swing between 95% and 99%. Even the jump from 97% to 99% is worth about euro 438k annually. Multiply that across a 200 MW portfolio and you see multi-million euro swings in enterprise value. The gap between average and elite availability is not caused by catastrophic failures, which are rare and obvious. Instead, it is death by 1,000 cuts driven by hidden operational frictions. First, slow fault response time. An inverter trips at 11 p.m., but no one notices until the morning review, costing 8 to 10 hours. Second, inspection lag. A hotspot appears in March, but the next drone inspection is in June, causing months of degraded performance. Third, parts delays. A failed component is identified, but replacement takes 3 to 4 weeks due to lack of inventory. Fourth, data blind spots. Underperforming strings run at 85% for months without triggering alarms. Fifth, manual coordination overhead. Dispatching crews and managing logistics adds 48 to 72 hours to every repair. AI agents systematically eliminate these delay loops by working in concert across monitoring, inspection, diagnostics, dispatch, and inventory. The monitoring agent scans SCADA in real time and flags anomalies within minutes instead of hours. The inspection agent schedules drone flights automatically when risk signals emerge, cutting response from months to days. The diagnostic agent classifies thermal and visual defects and predicts failure timelines. The dispatch agent routes crews with precise GPS parts lists and prioritizes work orders. The parts inventory agent predicts failures and triggers procurement before stock runs out. This coordinated autonomy removes about 90% of the delay loops that reduce availability. One IPP client with 75 MW at 97.2% availability used our platform and targeted 3 levers to improve performance. First, mean time to detection fell from 6 hours to 12 minutes using continuous monitoring agents. Second, inspections moved from biannual to risk-triggered adaptive schedules with some blocks checked monthly. Third, predictive inventory ensured replacement components arrived before failures. After 12 months, the portfolio reached 98.9% availability, yielding euro 560k in additional revenue and a 6x ROI on the AI platform. Achieving elite availability is about working smarter with real-time visibility, predictive modeling, and autonomous coordination. Quarterly PDF reports and scheduled visits cannot deliver this. You need agents running 24/7 learning and optimizing response protocols. Availability is the most transparent proxy for operational excellence in SolarO&M, and it directly correlates with cash flow stability. Portfolios above 98.5% command valuation premiums of 8 to 12% compared to those at 95 to 96%. On a 100 MW portfolio valued at 80 million euros, that premium equals 6 euros 40 cents to 9.6 million euros in added value. You don't earn that premium by promising improvements after acquisition. You earn it by showing a 3-year track record of elite availability. Want to see what's holding your portfolio back from 99% availability? Download our portfolio performance report at clearspot.ai/portfolio-report for a gap analysis, failure mode breakdown, and our agent architecture. 4 percentage points is not a rounding error, it is a competitive moat. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.